I am Suyog Mali, roll number B30. We recently completed our report on drone. Now we are going to perform presentation on drone. The group members are Vaishnavi Zawalkar, Shrutika Patil, Prasannajit Patil. Let's start with introduction. Unmanned aerial vehicle, commonly known as drone. The long form of the drone is dynamic, remotely operated navigation equipment. It can run without human pilot. It can be controlled by remote controller device and a computer. Drones are used in inspection of high structures and rescue missions. Nowadays, it is commonly used by the police to find the peoples who are wandering outside the home in lockdown. Quadcopter is the special type of the drone which is becoming more popular nowadays. Next slide. Components of drone. Frame is the basic structure of drone which is used to support the structure of drone. Motors are used to rotate the propellers. Motors are used lighter in weight and with high RPM. Flight control boards. It is a small circuit board with varying complexities. Main function of flight control board is to control the RPM of motor. Radio transmitter. The transmitters are used to control the aircraft from distance. Radio transmitters works using radio signals. Camera is used to record the view. FPV cameras are smaller in size and lighter in weight. Main function of the camera is to take photos and videos. Propellers are used to generate the thrust and torque to keep drone flying, and also to perform much better experience with high speed. Batteries are used as a source of power. Mainly lithium ion batteries are used.
Myself Vaishnavi Zawalkar, roll number B80. And let us see the working of the drone. We all know the working of the drone or the control of the drone is done by the remote. So let us see the remote first, and then we can understand the working of the drone. This is the remote, and here we can see an antenna, that is the transmitter, which transmits the signal of whatever operation we do in this remote to the receiver, which is situated in the drone. Here we have two channels, this elevator channel and another is this throttle channel. As we increase the elevator channel, means as we move this elevator rod at the forward direction, the speed of the motor is increased. Accordingly, the speed of the propellers are increased. So let us see the taking off of the drone. Taking off of the drone. As we increase the speed, the propellers move, and accordingly the drone flies. Drone flies with the help of the propellers. The propeller blades pushes the air in the downward direction, and it results in the motion of the taking off. There are 4 propellers, and 2 of them rotates in the clockwise direction and 2 of them rotates in the anti-clockwise direction to adjust the air pressure. To make stable the drone, all the propellers should rotate in same speed and in same power. As we increase the speed of the motor, the speed of the propellers also increase, and it pushes the air in the downward direction, resulting in the upward movement of the drone. If we want to move the drone in the forward direction or in the backward direction or in the left or right direction, we have this throttle rod control. If we move this throttle rod in the forward direction, then it affects the speed of the 2 propellers which are situated at the front side of the drone. It reduces their speed and results in the forward movement of the drone. Similarly, as we move this throttle rod control at the downward direction, it decreases the speed of the two propellers which are situated at the back side of the drone and resulting in the backward movement of the drone. Similarly, if we want to move the drone in the left direction or the right direction, the same procedure occurs. When we move the drone, when we move this throttle rod in the left direction, the propellers which are situated at the left of the drone decreases their speed and resulting in the movement of the drone in the left side. Similarly, in the right side. This is how we can control the drone, that is forward direction and movement and backward direction movement. And here we have power light. We can see how the whether the remote is on or off, and other trim buttons to adjust the sensitivity. Next, the landing of the drone. Landing of the drone is done very slowly by decreasing the speed of the motor very slowly. The drone is landed on the surface safely by decreasing the speed of the propellers.
Myself, Shrutika Patil, roll number 46. Motion sensor. The motion sensor are located below the central hole. The motion sensor are nothing but a circuit which has two output and one input. The main function and main working of motion sensor are considerable by our electronic system is our any living organism which generate heat inside the body and expose the heat. This heat is dedicated by the motion sensor in the infrared radiation. It is the input of the motion sensor, as output can give a light or a signal sound. The next point is safety measures to be taken. Turn the throttle down to 0 if you are about to crash. Next, keep your finger away from the propellers when they are moving. Next one is take out the battery of quadratus before doing any work on it. Next one is application of drone. First one is news making. The drone technology allows journalists to take footage of news events such as volcanic eruption, war-torn villages. Then agriculture. The Environmental Protection Agency already utilizes drone technology to manage livestock and survey crop to useful the farmers. Then delivery, used to transport package food or other goods. Then military use of drone includes recognition or observation from the sky. The more uses of drone in domestic and internet services. Then photography and videography. The drone used to make video and photo of the events and cricket or other matches and catches the information on it. Next slide will be conducted my friend Prasannajit.
Hi friends, I am Prasanjit Patil, roll number B41. I am here to tell you about future uses of drone. Do you know there are some of the future uses of drone? Like it can be used in disaster areas like flood, tsunami or burning of building, earthquake, etc. to save life people who are caught in it. Next is public service and safety. Nowadays you see the drones are used by the police for the announcement to watch on people in big cities so that the people may strictly follow the lockdown of COVID-19. Next is construction and landscaping. In this, the drones are used for the measuring of land, construction area, which helps the designer to make the better plan by sitting at a place. Next one is news and media. The journalists which are in that used drone to collect the information. And the last one is it is used in photography and videography. This year only our college made a video for advertisement with the help of drone, and it is also used in some of the marriages. Next slide is advantages of drone. Firstly, doesn't require a qualified pilot, means it does not require a pilot which is qualified for it. Like anybody can use it who knows to handle the remote of the drone. Can be enter in any environment. The drone can enter in any environment, so that we can observe the landscape. Can stay in air for up to 30 hours, means its battery life is large and it can be used for much time, such a way that it will automatically do all its work. Next slides is disadvantages of drone. Costly compared to manned vehicle. It is so costly. Disadvantages of drone. Costly compared to manned vehicles, means it is more costly, it requires much material, and limited abilities, means it has some of the limited ability, like it can take only video camera, announcement, it cannot carry heavy material, etc. More hardware complexity, means the circuit complexity like motors, battery, etc. is much harder. Thank you.